Hey everyone, it's me, Code1996, and today I'm here with the Lanmu accessory holder for the Dyson V6 vacuum cleaner. This is a really exciting product as my vacuum attachments are in a box currently in the closet. So this will make them really easily accessible, quick and easy to get to all of my attachments. In the description below, there will be a coupon for this Lanmu accessory holder for the Dyson V6 vacuum cleaner. This accessory holder will really come in handy for all of my attachments that I have pretty much all over the house. So I can have them all on here. It holds 6 attachments, so that's really good. So I don't have to be searching all over for the one that I want when I'm out cleaning the car. Because I have the Dyson V6 in my garage because I use it in the car the most and the garage, less in the house. So right here is your installation book and a user manual. A little thank you for supporting card. It has their email, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. So right here, we're going to pull out one of them, just like this. And you'll see, we'll take it out of the plastic, just like this. And right here, it will click right on to the left side of your Dyson V6 mount that came with the machine. So you can hold 3 additional accessories, which is very exciting. And then on the other side, take this one out, right here. And this one attaches on the other side. So I will now show you how to attach these to the mounting dock of the Dyson V6. So it's really easy to attach the Lanmu to the standard mounting dock that comes with your Dyson V6. You just attach them right into here, just like this, and that is how easy it is to hook up the Lanmu. It's fantastic because you can keep all of your attachments right on board. The only attachments they don't work with are the motorized attachments that have the electric power to them. There's 2 slots along the side, and this is the only thing that it will not be compatible with. So you can have all of the non-motorized attachments, holding all of your favorite attachments, so you can take them off and put them on and use them and know exactly where all of your favorite attachments are. So they're not laying all over the ground or in a box in the closet. They're right here, so you will always know right where all of your attachments are. So I hope you enjoyed this video with the Lanmu. Please let me know what you think. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos.